Welcome to Cultivating Contentment. We are on week 6, day 5. We're wrapping up week 6 today of our study, and this week's topic has been what's the alternative? So I thought I would just share with you my view today. Whoops, let me get out of the way here. So this is my view. This is where I find the most contentment. This is just a calming place for me to sit and watch the river and watch the boats go by, and maybe a freighter will go by while I'm talking tonight. So I will shrink this back up and go on with our study. So, our verse today is from Matthew 12:36, but I tell you that everyone will have to give account on the day of judgment for every empty word they have spoken. So we are going to be accountable, and we are accountable for our words, not just our actions, but our words as well. I think oftentimes words are even more damaging sometimes than our actions. So, so we need to learn how to say the right things so that we're not judged harshly for the words that we've said. Our quote today comes from Patsy Clairmont. I have learned that to yearn and learn are quite different. One takes much less effort and a lot less risk than the other. It's easy to sit back and yearn for something. We often waste a lot of time yearning for things. But you know what? How much more rewarding is it if we actually learn how to achieve something, or to how to use something, or how to find something? So it is well worth the risk and the effort. Our last question of the week is: dissatisfaction and complaining are not unavoidable. There is an alternative: contentment. The Timothy 6:6 passage seems to indicate that it goes hand in hand with godliness. Godliness with contentment. Having both is better than great riches. What is it about contentment that makes godliness better? And why would you want a godly life in which to find contentment? So this is our wrap up today. So I would just say, pray this week for the Spirit to help you and your tongue stay out of trouble when you get frustrated. Ask for a teachable heart and a grateful outlook so God can continue to cultivate contentment in your heart. So pray that that you stay out of trouble with your tongue, right? And then lastly, our trinkets to treasure. This week's little treasure is small, but will serve as an effective reminder for you. It's a button, and whenever you look at it, remember to button your lip when the time is right. If you have trouble, as I sometimes do, in keeping your comments to yourself, you may need more than one. I would suggest that maybe you glue a little magnet to the back and put it on your refrigerator, or maybe glue it on a tack and put it on your bulletin board. Maybe keep it in your pocket, keep it in your car, keep it in your change purse. Maybe you want one in all of those places, but just have it serve as a gentle reminder that we need to button up our lips sometimes. So, thanks for sticking with this through 6 weeks, and I look forward to reading your responses, and I look forward to next week. And our topic next week is called A Way of Seeing, and I'm sure that will be insightful as well. So stay safe, stay healthy, have a great weekend, and blessings to you and your family, and have a safe Memorial weekend.